Hey everyone, in this video I will show you a quick and honest review of Relevance AI in 2025, an AI tool that helps you analyze data without needing to be a tech expert. Let's see what it offers and if it is really worth using. Relevance AI is a very beginner friendly. You don't need to know how to code or understand machine learning. The platform uses a drag and drop system which makes it super easy to build workflows and start analyze your data right way. One of the best thing about Relevance AI is how well it handles text heavy data like customer reviews, surveys and support messages. It uses natural language process to understand and organize the text automatically. This is great for business that get tons of feedback and want to quickly make sense of it. It also gives you visual reports that are easy to read and share. You can quickly see trends, topics, and customer feelings. This makes it easier to take action based on real insights without needing any coding skill. Now, a few things to understand: if your data is messy or incomplete, the result might not be very accurate. Also, while it's great for beginners, advanced users may find it a bit basic if they want more control or custom options. As for the price, it's reasonable compared to other AI tools, but if you need advanced features or more data processing, it can get expensive. So make sure it fits to budget your
needs.
to sum it up, Relevance AI is a great tool if you want to analyze text data without diving into complex AI stuff. It's easy, smart, and helpful. Just watch your data quietly and costs. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.